Is your BMW 520d key fob not working? The most common causes are a dead battery or loss of synchronization. First, replace the CR232 battery. Pry open the fob carefully, remove the old battery, and insert the new one with the correct polarity. Next, try remote initialization. For 520d models, this often involves cycling the ignition key 5 to 10 times while holding a fob button, then following on-screen prompts. This resyncs the fob with your car. If these simple steps don't work, the issue might be more complex. If basic fixes like battery replacement and reprogramming fail, the issue likely involves the front electronic module or car access system. These critical modules manage key authentication and vehicle security. Diagnosis requires professional tools like BMW's ISTA software to check for faults in these modules. Repair costs typically range from $200 to $800. Looking ahead, BMW is shifting to digital keys using smartphones. Models from 2020 onwards can use the BMW Connected app for keyless access. By 2030, ultra-wideband technology will provide more secure and reliable keyless entry, reducing reliance on physical key fobs.